And so a 1963 Continental is next. And we took a look at this one earlier. I was kind of hoping they would bring it out with the top down, but to no avail. The bid at $100,000 currently for this car.
430 cubic inches of Lincoln power. Nice presentation, but the rest of the car is truly over the top, and a lot of subtle modifications as well. Most notably the RideTech air ride suspension system and those really trick custom 20-inch wheels.
Yeah, I love
they
those.
look like the full wheel cover, which would have been available, but it's not. It's an aftermarket wheel and a modern
aftermarket wheel that Isotope Alexa builds just for the Lincolns. They're also starting to do a Cadillac wheel too. They really show up nicely. Beautiful.
Look at this, 180 grand.
The consignor told me that it rides really nicely too, like you're on a cloud.
That guy's stoked about the buy on that car, $180,000. Going to a new owner. Look at that. He's got to sit down and take a deep breath. Big moment for that man.